trying to catch the birds, but they're too sneaky. Where did he go? Boots? I saw you leaving. Where were you at? There you go, sneaking off. I'm going to get him to the front door. Catch something else. You two get inside, Sandy. What are you doing? Sure. Don't see where this Bootsy went again. Get inside the house. Think you slick?
No.
Stop going away through the back door. You hear me?
Yes, I'm sorry.
I'm not going to give you no food if you be bad.
Don't do that to me, please.
And don't you think you're going to go to the kitchen and get more tuna, because you're not.
Okay.
You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy?
I'm a little boy. Little boy.
Alright, that doesn't mean you're going to get tuna. No. Don't even look back.
Why? I know she's coming. I'm gonna look back. I know she's gonna feed me.
Guess what? I'm not. You could sit by the fridge all you want. No.
Pretty please.
You see with those little eyes of yours you can get anyone? Huh? Don't even rub on me. I'm not going to fall for that. Boots, you're on a diet. I just gave you tuna less than 5 minutes ago.
What? You eat it in 10 seconds.
Oh my God, how dare you? No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'm going to leave you alone there. Drink water. That's what you need.